Say standing on the river for you are about to see there must surrender. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I took all of his money and he made a pretty penny. Put it in his pocket and I brought it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would deceive. The devil take the women by, you know they can't be easy. I surrender. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Chamber, took my money with me, but I never knew the danger. 6 or maybe 7, I ain't got them saddled. Took 5 pistols and I shot 'em with my barrels. My surrender. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Something like a fishing, something like a fowl, something like to hear the cannonball roaring. Take it away, Ozzy. But me, I like sleeping, especially in my mother's chamber. But here we are in Zwaben. But here we are in Zwaben. Getting there, but not quite yet. One more time. But here we are in Zwaben. Here we are in the bottom, you must surrender.